Good morning, students. I Neelam am here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number 17, that is symmetry, of your book My Observation. Today I have selected multiple choice questions based on symmetry. So question number 1 is here: which of the following line is a line of symmetry? Here in this figure, this line of symmetry is not dividing the given figure into two equal halves. Here this line of symmetry is dividing this figure into two equal parts, and this figure here C is here, and this line, dotted line, is not dividing this given figure into two equal parts. So B is correct. So B is here, this line is line of symmetry. Question number 2: which of the following is not a line of symmetry? Here this dotted line is not dividing the given figure into two equal halves. This is dividing into two equal halves, and this line of symmetry is also dividing the given figure into two equal halves. So here A is not here a line of symmetry. Third, how many lines of symmetry does the insect shown have? So this is the insect. So how many lines of symmetry are possible of this insect? One line in the center. So only one line here. You can draw with the help of scale. One line of symmetry. So option here A. A is correct. Only one line of symmetry vertically is possible here. Okay. Then question number 4. How many lines of symmetry does the following triangle have? So this is a triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. All the sides are of equal length. So in question number 4, how many lines of symmetry does the following triangle have? When you look at this triangle and you will measure all the sides will be of equal length. So this is an equilateral triangle. So there will be how many lines of symmetry? 3 lines of symmetry. Okay, this vertex and the midpoint, and join that. This vertex and midpoint of this side. So there will be how many lines of symmetry? In case of an equilateral triangle, there will be 3 lines of symmetry of an equilateral triangle. So option B is the correct answer. Then comes question number 5. Which letter has no line of symmetry? Here in A letter, it has vertical line of symmetry. M is also having vertical line of symmetry, but this letter L is not having line of symmetry. So option C, L letter has no line of symmetry. Okay. Then question number 6. Which of the following figure has 5 lines of symmetry? 5 lines of symmetry. So when you look at this figure, it has 4 sided. This is square. Square will have 4 sides. So here 4 lines of symmetry. This is regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means all the sides are of equal length. And this is 5 sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a regular pentagon. It will have 5 lines of symmetry. But in case of a rectangle, there will be only here 2 lines of symmetry. In case of a rectangle. In case of this square, vertical, horizontal, diagonally, 2 lines of symmetry. Total 4. And in case of pentagon, there will be 5 lines of symmetry. Okay. I have taught you how to this vertex and the midpoint of this side. This vertex and midpoint of this side. This vertex and midpoint of this side, and vertex and this midpoint of the side, and this vertex and midpoint of this side. So total how many lines of symmetry of a pentagon? Here 5. Okay, you will draw this and do it by drawing the line of symmetry yourself. Question number 7 is here. A rectangle has dash lines of symmetry. Just now I have shown you this is the shape of a rectangle. This is a shape of rectangle, and with the help of scale you will draw here vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry with the help of scale. With the help of scale. So a rectangle has how many lines of symmetry? 2 lines of symmetry. Then comes question number 8. So a rectangle has how many lines of symmetry? 2 lines of symmetry. Vertically, here this is vertically and this is horizontally. Vertically and horizontally. 2 lines of symmetry. So a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. A square has dash lines of symmetry. So this is a square. So with the help of scale you will draw vertical line, horizontal and diagonally 2 lines of symmetry. So vertically, horizontally and 2 diagonally. So total there will be how many lines of symmetry of a square? A square will have here 4 lines of symmetry. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. And question number 9. Which of the following picture has rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry means when you will rotate it. The book here I am going to rotate it at right angle. It is looking same. This figure is looking same. Then again rotating at right angle. It is looking same. This flower here, and when I am rotating it at right angle, this is looking same. Then at the same position, so it is looking same when I have rotated it about 90-degree angle. So when I will rotate it here at 90-degree angle, suppose this is not looking the same. And in case of this figure, when I am rotating it like that, it is not looking same. So rotational symmetry, only B figure here. B figure will have rotational symmetry. Okay. Then question number 10. Which shape has no rotational symmetry? When you will rotate this figure, at right angle, then it will look same. This will also look same when you will rotate at right 90-degree angle. Suppose I am rotating it like that. It is looking same. Again at 90-degree angle I am rotating, it is looking same. No change in shape. Again rotating at here 90-degree angle, it is looking same. Now at the starting position here, it is in the same position, it is looking same. So figure C will have rotational symmetry. This will also have rotational symmetry, but figure B will not have rotational symmetry. It will not look same when you will rotate like this. When you are rotating, it is not looking same. When I am rotating at 90-degree angle, it is not looking same. This figure, it is not looking same. So here figure B, this shape has no rotational symmetry. So these are MCQs of which chapter? 17, symmetry. Okay, symmetry. And in this question number 7, complete the following figures so that each is symmetric with the dotted line as the line of symmetry. So it was semicircle, and when you will draw here the other part of the figure, okay, and complete the figure and in such a way that the other part is symmetric with the dotted line. Okay, So in this way you will complete this circle, and this is half of a rectangle, and you will complete this figure in this way, okay, so that it is symmetric with the dotted line as the line of symmetry. And in the same case you will complete this figure. This will look like a square, okay. When you will complete this figure, then it will be symmetric with the dotted line as a line of symmetry. And this is half of the triangle is there, and when you will draw other half of the here figure, it will look like that. In this way you will complete this part yourself, and this will do it yours, okay. You will do it yourself. You will complete the figure on the other side of the line of symmetry. Cross the figure which are not symmetrical. And here, do the following pictures have rotational symmetry? Yes, this will have rotational symmetry. And here, this will also have rotational symmetry. Which one? Only here A part. And you will try for B, C and D. Okay. So you will complete chapter number 17 of my observation, Maths. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.